Dami. Huling-huli. Truk Putong. Yes, so happy watching. Sa ating unang live viewers, good morning mga idol. Maraming salamat. Ating bida ngayon, si Erking TV. Dahan-dahan idol. Yun. Pag ganun. Pag ganun. Pag ganun. Hindi, pag ganun. Yula Leisel Roldan. Yes, man. Happy watching po. Shout out to you, idol. Good morning sa ating lahat. Basag din.
Basag ka din.
Oh, basag din. Ganito pa. Miku Gao. Yes, sir. Happy watching. Shout out to you, idol. Maraming salamat po sa ating 3 live viewers. Venus Rica Blanca, Maruha Bernal. Yes, ma'am. Happy watching po. Shout out po sa inyo mga idol. Thank you. Yun no? Mamaw. Ay, tuwang-tuwa. Yan yung mga isdang nahuli na nga, tuwang-tuwa pa. Oh. Nahuli na nga, tuwang-tuwa pa. Wala doon.
Yung dala mo?
Hindi, kay Kwan. Ron. JB Sonito. Sir Nolet, good morning. Gandang tanghali, Idol Erking, Kuya Rodel, Birador Vlog, Ron Vlog, Sinads, Master Prince, si Dasmag, Idol Sir Nolet, nandito kami lahat. Mga ibang mga idol, darating pa sila. Yun nga. Yun no? Oh? Laki. Hello ma'am Neng Goyorgor. Shout out sa idol. Do you so? I cannot read your name but shout out to you. Happy viewing so. So 6-5 live viewers. Good morning mga dagtanga sa ating lahat mga idol. Sunny Mendoza. Yes so, happy watching po. Shout out sa ating lahat mga idol. Mares Sirapor. So, good morning. Shout out to you sir. Mas maganda sana ko yung maliliit no? Yung maliliit ang butas. Nolet Berkera. Shout out to you, Master Friends. Master Friends daw. Shout out. Mula kay Sir Nolet. Nel Huasen Undag. Janet Sabordo. Shout out to you mga idol. Good noon po sa ating lahat mga idol. Shout out po. Maraming salamat po mga idol. Thank you for watching. Bida natin si Idol Erking, Gayam Erking TV.
Hello my friend, Jose Rudez. How are you still there? Oh, thank you so much my friend for your...
Ariel Hermosa, Capillas is watching. Oh, may banak ko pala. Nakatatlo na tayo, idol.
My friend, what kinuwang?
Mulay.
This one?
Mulay.
Myanmar.
Mulay.
Oh, really? You were so far my friend. You are from Myanmar. What key?
Hello, Ma'am Brenda.
Motor
Shout out to you, idol.
Ayaw? Motor key? $10 just only give him motor key.
Oh,
You have a motor key?
motor key?
Mm-hmm.
Kanino?
Give me the $10 for motor key.
Motor key? Why?
Sa motor key, ah.
Why you want to take my motor key?
Just only give him see it. The motor key. Wow.
Alona Reño Tumanon is watching. Shout out to you, idol.
Ano yan? Facebook? Ha? Facebook pala yan. Good fishing is there. Yes, I have good fishing. It's really
Mark Pusipag. Thank you for watching, ma'am. I saw Mark. To our 8 viewers, good noon po sa ating lahat mga idol. Shout out po. Happy viewing mga idol. Uy! Silver carp.
Where are you from? To say,
Wow, dami. Mula kay Alona Reño Tumanon.
just like
Born ni Rubia. Yes, so happy watching po.
really good. I go and you take me fishing. Oh yes, my friend. Come here. And I want together you fishing here in
Sama siya.
where are you from?
Kayo.
Where are you from?
Julie Lorenzo. Yes, so. Yes, ma'am. Happy watching po. Shout out po sa ating lahat mga idol. Ayun. Meron na kagat. Edgar Montoya, shout out to you, sir. Juby Targente.
From Texas.
Shout out to you, ma'am. Happy watching po. Maraming salamat po. To our 16 live viewers, good morning po mga idol. Wow! Kiss the fish! Kiss the fish! Oh! Kiss! Yup! Antonio Ramos, yes so. Ha? Okay, bye-bye po.